Good morning, guys. Thank you very much for joining us for another ITWeb webinar. The ever-changing nature of cloud environments creates numerous challenges for companies. It's not just the evolution of cloud itself, it's just managing the nuances of cloud storage with many users, many instances, many types of data and use cases and applications trying to access that data. And this has created the ongoing problem of unexpected cost increases, as well as just bill shock, cost creep, and inefficient practices, and also a lack of organizational alignment. As you'll see, there is a strategic side to this as well. This is not just a question of, do we have enough terabytes to store our data on? Because obviously getting a product like Veeam is part of this, but it's still a responsibility of the administrators in the company. What advice do you give to guys? Where can they start to say, okay, this is how you get a handle of your cloud visibility and therefore your costs?
What we can do, we've got cost calculators. So when customers do contact us, we can help them go through an exercise from a cost perspective. So that would be the first protocol, is the cost calculators that we can assist with.
We can sort of predict. We've got online tools that can also assist with your Office 365. Microsoft's got some great tools as well with the 365, which can also predict the client's data growth. And then we just use the cost calculators to give them an estimate. And then from a vault perspective as well, we can also predict exactly how much vault storage they'll need to procure for their long-term retention and that as well.
Whether it's Windows or Linux, AIX workloads, we do support all of that. You can go onto our website, see what the latest versions are that we support as well.
I've never had anyone say Veeam's a complicated solution. It's a very, very simple, very intuitive user interface, and a lot of customers take to it very, very quickly.
So if we talk about Veeam Data Cloud, you can choose your tenant in South Africa, as an example. So that's just going to help you from a reliability point of view, because you're already using those services. So we're just plugging into it now. We've
got an agent, so you install the agent on the physical server, you can back up to a Veeam repository, and then we can actually restore it to a cloud provider. So we help customers with that DR. So if a power supply packs up, which in Africa happens quite often, and they can't get stock, they can actually use Veeam to do that P2V conversion as well as part of their DR strategy.
I'm going to conclude this webinar. Thank you for your time. This has been talking about data resilience for Africa with a focus on cloud costs, cloud storage costs. My name is James Francis. I brought you this webinar from Veeam and ITWeb. Please stay safe. Have a great time out there. Don't let your data get on top of you, and we'll see you at the next one. Thank you.
Brilliant. Goodbye. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.